Alright guys, so Papa George have been planting up some of the herbs we get from the wild. This is the king of this is the ram goat dash along, sorry. And this is the king of the forest when plant, you understand? And this is a dark blood. So we just go through same way and show you some different one. Probably never encountered before, guys. You know what I mean? But guys, hear what? Rain a fall in Jamaica like crazy. Rain a fall. The Guinean weed? No, this one here. What is this?
No, this one.
You know that?
Wild bush, yeah.
We could go up in the ground so I'll show you how I go on. It's always a pleasure, you know, guys. Parring with Master George, you know, always a pleasure. Let me say, man, that's different, you know. Really different, strong elder, me I tell you guys.
You see this?
Show you how I go on. Alright, talk to you, know.
This?
Turmeric. So Papa George carry upon him nature walk, guys. So this is turmeric plant. You know turmeric? Yes, that turmeric we use to fight against cold and flu, and you cook with it. This is how it looks. I see one protrude from the ground, guys. Watch this. Watch what go on here, son. Look there. You see that? See that? See that, guys? One more over here. See that? Look at that. Look at that. This is a turmeric here, guys. You know what I mean? See that? This one probably not ready for drop yet, but yeah, guys, and this is called a chocho tree. You know what I mean? This is a chocho tree. Food. This is food tree. Grows is like a type of, I mean, it grows like a cucumber called chocho tree. And go down some more in the garden, you find me, you're gonna find a lot of Guinean weed, guys. Look at that Guinean weed. Look at that. All of this here, guys, is Guinean weed and coarse bush. This is good for cold and flu and all of that. And Papa George have him very potent coffee beans. You know what I mean? Look at this, guys, coffee beans. Watch out. I don't want to see them thing in a while, you know, but this, guys, is coffee beans. You know what I mean? This is how they look on the tree here. If you never see coffee bean before, well, you see it now. The minute you touch the Guinean weed, you can smell it, you know. The minute you touch it, guys. It's a little bit windy because of the rain still. You know what I mean? But we just search and show you what's happening in Papa George nature walk, garden, everything. You know what I mean? I'm showing you what I go on for him growing soon. Alright, peeps, so we'll go on. This is the banana and planting walk and pineapple. See them here? You know what I mean? So it is not a case where Papa George them in a country you can be longing for food. I say longing for food, guys. And nature this, and it providing for those who have laid the foundation in terms of planting the seed. So we have some corn over here, and we have sweet potato growing, guys. You know what I mean? Everything where you think you don't want to eat. You know what I mean? So the whole idea is grow what you eat and eat what you grow, don't it?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Watch this pine, guys, coming up very nice. Very nice, very nice. You know this thing here, a lot of people take this thing for granted, you know.
Oh.
They dead and wait Maka, yeah.
Shema
Maka.
Shema old lady.
Yeah. Shema old lady. This one, a lot of people take this bush for granted, peeps. You understand? This little bush here, as I touch it, it close up. Now watch. Very sure. Now. Watch it. As I touch it. Watch it. As I touch it, it closes up. That's why they call it shave a old lady. Touch it. Hey. Touch it. Close up.
My man find a beer.
Oi. Watch out, guys. Show them what I go on over here. So me see. So one little baby start growing, you know. Watch out, guys. She make a baby. Nice size baby this, you know. Nice size baby pine. I grew up nice. Yeah, man. I tell you guys, I want to come Jamaica and just, even if you come link me specifically, cause come man and just walk through the bush and get some experience with it. You know what I mean? Show you what I go on for Papa George. Hog pen. One thing in there, left out him hog, you know. Left out him hog.
You can't walk after doing that.
Why? Have you a hog dodo? Or nail?
Nail.
Watch him hog peeps. Piggy. 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 Say subscribe. Subscribe. Say subscribe. Come. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. Come.
What happened? What happened?
I couldn't pen. He pen nasty.
Yes, man, true. Truly real.
I rain. But that they love still, you know.
Mind it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is called the ratbat wing plant. See this? This beautiful flower here, guys, is from the ratbat wing. Let me pop. No, I don't want to destroy it, you know, but let me bring it up close. Ratbat wing, this is an edible herb. This one is for building the immune system and detoxing your body. You can eat this with callaloo. You know what I mean? You can eat this with cabbage, blend it up with everything. You can even eat the pumpkin leaf, guys. You know what I mean? Look at nature at its core, guys. Watch out. Look at that. It's moving fast. Moving fast, guys. You understand? So when you go in nature, peeps, it's just a beauty, you know? Just a beauty, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So you have a lot of herbs growing at one spot, and it's because the rain is falling now, even better for them. So we have some more down here. So this one is called the Spanish needle. Spanish needle here, many rabbits eat that still. Alright, so we're going to Papa George to go. What you eating already, man?
Not ready yet. I'm ready yet. Yes. I want to get that and call long runner, man. He'll be faster than anybody else. Yes. Come there. You see them? Yes. No. Sorry.
Yeah, we pull it, let me see.
It's a white one that. See them there?
Them already yet?
They're young.
Okay. So you have herbs and you have food.
Yes.
I tell you, fortunate, you know, man. Less.
Yes.
It's all around us. Nature, the beauty of that which is created. Herbs and birds and bees and all manner of plants. It's just for us to take the time and embrace this beautiful creation, as we ourselves are a part of this creation in a symphony of like music playing together. Every chord, every note has their own characteristics. We just have to come as human beings and be a part of something that we was taken out of, to really understand who we are. And we understand who we are by how we interact with nature. I hope you guys learned a lot today, and don't be afraid to go out in nature. Alright, that's it, guys. Thank you for coming on Nature's Walk with me today, guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tyrone, and I do a lot of stuff, guys, from cooking to herbs to nature to art to the beauty of our island, guys. You understand? So hear what? Bless up on yourself, you know. Big up on yourself, you hear me? Yeah, man, guys. So I'll see you guys when? Next week, next 2 days, next 3 days. Look at what I found. Look at that leaf of life, guys. Breathe with me. In, out. Breathe in that good prana, baby. That good prana. Breathe in that good prana, baby. Yes, guys. So that is it. That is it, peeps. That is it. Out of the bush. I mean, that is it, guys. That is it. Let me fix the exposure. I have too much light. Yeah, peeps. So, it's always a privilege to bring nature to you guys. Look all around me. Look at that. Just bush and herbs and that good air, that fresh air that you need. Mosquito biting you, but that's the least, you know what I mean? So you have to just breathe in, take a breath to chill out, take a breath to just walk in nature, guys. There's more to this place than the eyes can see, you know what I mean? But most of God bless you and keep you. And let me know what you think about this video, guys. Type in the comment section and give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. All right, bye bye.